If you are a business owner selling online courses, we're going to solve your absolute biggest frustration today. You know the feeling. You've poured your heart, your soul, and a ton of capital into creating this incredible digital course, but your website just isn't converting those visitors into buyers. Well, in today's explainer, we're going to walk through a clear step-by-step blueprint to rescue your conversions using a super simple, proven framework. Let's get into it. So imagine this. Imagine posting a piece of content every single day for 2 entire years straight and getting literally nothing. Not a single lead, not one sale, crickets. That is exactly what happened to a business owner highlighted in our source material. I mean, just think about the sheer waste of time, energy, and money that represents for a business. All that massive effort for absolutely zero return. But guess what? Within just a couple of weeks of making a few incredibly simple tweaks to their landing page, the leads finally started pouring in. It's wild. So the big question you've got to ask yourself right now is this. Is your sales page actively killing your course? You see, the problem usually isn't your actual content or your digital product. The product is probably great. The problem is that your page structure is literally working against you. It is practically preventing people from handing you their money. So here is our exact blueprint to revive that page. First, the cool page trap. Second, sell vacation, not the trip. Third, the high converting hero section. Fourth, filter with price and action. Fifth, trapdoors and escapes. And finally, number 6, your 24/7 traffic engine. Diving right into section 1, the cool page trap. This is all about how clarity absolutely always beats cleverness. As a course creator, it's so incredibly tempting, isn't it? We want to build these pages that are beautifully complicated and just look super cool, but look at the stark contrast here. This is an ego-driven brand-building approach versus the self-serving mindset of your actual visitor. On the left, you've got a page filled with heavy branding, clever little abstract taglines, and complex color schemes. But honestly, your lead doesn't care about your logo. They are completely self-serving as they should be, and they're just asking themselves, what do I get out of this? You have to optimize to convert. That means clear promises, a simple layout, and zero distracting branding right at the top. To put that into perspective, think about the highest-selling shoes in the entire world. It's the plain white-on-white Nike Air Force Ones or the super simple Adidas Sambas. They're literally the most basic designs possible. Or look at Amazon. They have the highest converting pages on the internet. And let's be totally honest here. They aren't exactly winning any beauty pageants. It's just a clear headline, an image, simple text, and reviews. That's it. Basic pages convert because they get out of the way and do the real job of selling for you. Moving on to section 2, sell vacation, not the trip. We need to focus on the payoff over the pieces. Now, this requires a massive mindset shift for course-based businesses. Think about it. When people book a trip to Tulum, Mexico, you sell them the beautiful white sand beaches and the ultimate relaxation. You definitely don't sell them arriving 3 hours early for a flight, standing in a miserable customs line, and taking a super bumpy shuttle ride. Yet course owners do this exact thing all the time. They list out their 15 modules, their 57-page ebook, and their 3 hours of video content. Listen, nobody cares about the bumpy ride. They want the transformation. You have to sell the destination. And this perfectly brings us to the VSL or the video sales letter. While it's technically optional, throwing a brief video explanation onto your page drastically increases conversions. But here's the real insider tip. It needs to be conversational. Speak directly to the camera as if you were explaining your course to a friend sitting across from you. Actually, if you have to read word for word from a highly edited teleprompter script, well, it kind of shows you don't really know your own product well enough. Keep it natural. Keep it real. Okay. Section 3, the high converting hero section. This is the 80-20 principle of your entire sales page. This top section, the hero section, is absolutely the most valuable real estate for your business. It drives the vast bulk of your sales simply because people skim. They do not read. So you need this literal mathematical formula for your headline. Give them a massive result minus the limiting belief they think is required to achieve it. For example, turn your YouTube into a digital product sales system. That's the big promise. Without a large audience, and that's the limiting belief. Boom! Within literally 1 second, your visitor knows exactly what transformation your business is offering. Then, just below that powerhouse hero section, you're going to briefly list out what they are actually getting, just to remove any lingering friction. You'll list the core outcome or module achievement, any access to coaching or support, the specific resources and tools provided, and community access. That builds instant clarity. And you know what clarity builds? The belief they need to take immediate action. Let's jump into section 4, filter with price and action. It's time to direct that final decision. So many business owners have this massive, deep-seated fear of revealing their costs upfront. They panic thinking, oh no, if people see the price, they'll immediately bounce. But you really have to remember this quote. Price is only an issue if value is absent. You need to be completely confident in your pricing. A transparent price actually acts as a totally necessary shield. It guards your business by actively filtering out unqualified buyers. That way, you can deliver real impact and real results to the people who are genuinely invested in taking your course. And right next to that price, look at your call to action buttons. You can actually subconsciously lead your buyer to purchase just by swapping out those boring generic buttons like buy now or sign up. Instead, use text that leads directly with their desired transformation. Instead of a super bland buy now, try an action-led phrase that sparks real excitement like get in the best shape of my life or join the community now. Always lead with the result. All right, Section 5, Trapdoors and Escapes. Let's make sure you don't shoot yourself in the foot right at the finish line. We really need to talk about the single most common self-sabotaging mistake business owners make right when the buyer is finally ready to check out. Never, ever, under any circumstances, include your social media links at the bottom of your sales page. No YouTube channel links, no Instagram handles, no TikTok logos, none of it. Adding these acts as a literal escape hatch. Think about it. You used your hard-earned marketing to get them to this page. Why on earth would you build a trap door that sends them right back over to TikTok to get completely distracted by someone making a viral sandwich? You are literally shooting your business in the foot. Once they're on your page, you want to give them exactly one decision. Make a purchase. Keep the absolute bottom of your page entirely blank. Or at most, just limit it to your legal business name and a simple text link to your privacy policy. Do not give them fun, shiny options to leave. Finally, Section 6, your 24/7 traffic engine. This is how we feed that newly optimized page. Now that you've got this incredibly optimized, highly converting sales page sitting there, let's feed it. As a business owner, you shouldn't be out there desperately begging people to buy your course. Instead, you want to build a YouTube or content asset that works for you 24/7, 365 days a year. Here's how. Step 1, add true, actionable value in your free content. Step 2, pitch your digital product naturally as the logical next best step for them to take. And Step 3, send them over to your new basic sales page and just let the page do the heavy lifting of selling for you. So I'm going to leave you with this one thought. What is the big promise of your course? Seriously, take 5 minutes right now to apply this exact formula and rewrite your hero headline. Stop letting a bad, overly complicated layout bankrupt your brilliant digital product. Your business absolutely deserves a page that actually converts. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Now go fix that page. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're ready to take your digital product sales to the next level, I have something truly exciting to share with you. Lead Creator AI is designed to revolutionize the way you connect with your audience and boost your online sales effortlessly. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only understands your business needs, but also helps you create targeted leads that convert. This is your chance to see it in action and discover how it can transform your sales strategy. I invite you to watch the exclusive demo presented by the founder of Lead Creator AI. This is more than just a product demonstration. It's a glimpse into the vision and passion behind the technology. The founder shares insights on how Lead Creator AI is tailored to help you achieve the success you've been striving for. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing digital product sales, this tool provides smart automation, lead generation, and customer engagement strategies that work seamlessly. The demo will show you how easy it is to integrate Lead Creator AI into your current workflow, saving you time and increasing your revenue potential. It's designed to be user-friendly so you can focus on what you do best, creating amazing products. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your business. Watching the demo is the first step toward unlocking the full potential of Lead Creator AI. You'll see real examples of how it can help you attract more customers, nurture leads, and close sales faster than ever before. The success stories from users just like you are inspiring and prove that with the right tools, your digital products can reach new heights. Take a moment now to click the link below and start your journey to greater success.